Okay, so you start with you, then you put the upline underneath. Okay, and the way it's designed is so that really we want to do an upside down thing where the people that are the upline are the ones working to push everyone up. Do you get what I'm saying? So I'm doing it this way so that we have level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. So I always do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels. Okay, and then the next thing you want to remember is just do 10 zeros or 10 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so what you do obviously for level 1 is we tell each person that, you know, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you register with your £100, then these people will send their £100 to you. Okay, and that's really what you need to remember. That level 1 sent their £100 to the first person.
Yeah.
So for level 1, all the people that you bring in send their £100 to you. So £100 in 10 places, just remember that's £1,000. And what I then do now is now remind the person that the £100 that they've brought in, if they used to register, if they take that out of the £1,000, now they've got £900 profit basically. Okay. Now this is the most important bit, because if this module works, then all we just do is replicate this bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, so the module is one person registering with £100 and helping 10 people register, and their registration is coming to that person. So that person makes 1,000. You're left with £900 profit if you take your registration out of it. Okay. Level 2 is I do the same 10 circles. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But now, these people now, this one is now helping 10 people. So in this 0 now is 10 each. Over here is one person each. But here we're going to teach this person to help their 10. We're going to teach this person to help their 10. We're going to teach this person to help their 10. We're going to teach this person to help their 10. So when all that is done, that means each one of this circle is 10 now. 10 in 10 places is 100. So this is 100 people, level 2. Okay. Now, the next thing I do is now tell this person that for them to have access, that the word is access. For them to have access to the people in level 2, they need to upgrade once, level 2. So that's where this comes in. Level 2 upline, upgrade £200. Okay, so that they have access to this. All right. So when they have access now, so that makes it a potential of 100 people sending £200 to them, not to anybody else, to them. So the potential earnings there is £20,000. And what I do at this stage is remind people that when we don't have any guarantee when people will send the money, it will just arrive over time. We're not saying it's going to come next week. You know what I'm saying? It's going to come fast, it's going to so slow, who knows? Okay. Then so level 3, okay, so this is ones, tens. So do the 10 zeros and circles again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this was 10. So this will be 100 each. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So this will be 100 each now. So if this is 100 each, 100 times 10, that's 1,000 people sending you level 3 money, which is 300. So for this person to have access to this level, they need to upgrade once 300 for them to have access to this level. So when these people now at this point want to be upgrading to their level 3, they will be sending their level 3 money to them. Okay, so again, to a quick recap, they get directly the first level money. Yeah, but this level 2 people, you will not be the one getting the level 2 registration. The first registration will be going to these people. Does that make sense?
Say that again.
Okay. So this level 2 people, when they're registering, they're not going to be sending their registration to you because you're the level 2 upline.
Okay.
Okay, let me repeat that.
Where will they be sending their money?
Thank you. They'll be sending the money to the person that brought them in.
Yeah.
So they'll be sending their £100 to this person. The time that they will be sending money to you is when they're upgrading. And that's when they'll be sending £200 to you now. Remember, when you came in, you got the £100. So these people here, when they bring their people in, they will be getting the £100, not you.
Yeah.
Does that make sense now?
Yeah.
Okay.
And for them to upgrade.
So when they now when they are now upgrading, that's when they send their level 2 money to you. When they're upgrading these people are upgrading level 3. That's when you get the upgrade level money. Does that make sense?
It makes sense to me.
Okay. All right.
It makes sense to me.
All right. So the potential here, and I keep saying potential, is £300,000. If 1,000 people are potentially sending £300 to you, that's £300,000. So to upgrade to
because we're working on the figures of bringing in 10.
Yeah, always.
Yeah.
Okay. Of course, this is just for example purposes. Some will do less, some will do more. Okay. Yeah. So to upgrade to level 4, how much would you need to upgrade?
£400.
Okay, £400. Okay. So that's £400 right there.
Okay.
So now this is 100. So 10 circles again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles again. So that in this place will be 1,000 each now. Because over here is 1, 10, 100, 1,000 now each. So 1,000 in 10 places is 10,000. People sending you £400. And that will be £4 million potential over time.
It's a very simple concept.
Very.
And it's very workable.
Very workable.
And as the people, the nation, we can do this. We can build this.
Easy.
We don't need anybody else. No. Thank you for showing me this concept. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I want to stop the video now.
It's okay.
I have people to contact.
Let me do level 5.
Do you want to do that quickly?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Quickly. Level 5 will be very quickly. So this is 1,000. So this one will be 10,000. Each circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will be 1,000 each. Okay. Sorry, 10,000 each. Sorry. Okay. So 10,000 people in 10 places. That will be 100,000 people. And to upgrade to level 5, how much would that be?
£500.
£500. Okay. So £500. This is why I'm saying I wanted to do this.
Yeah, because it's all about the profit that I made from the first 100. So it's like I've only actually put in £100.
Thank you.
Out of my own pocket, and I donated that to the person that introduced me.
Yeah.
So therefore, I've given a gift.
Yeah.
And that gift has welcomed me into
an ocean of gifts.
Yeah, an ocean of gifts. Okay.
Ocean of gifts.
Fantastic.
So that's 100,000 people sending you £500, and that, Samantha, is £50 million potential there.
Done the maths right?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Very sure.
That's very impressive. Because we can nation build with that.
£50 million.
They can't stop
and that
us.
is purpose. Potential.
They can't stop us with that.
No, they can't.
Well, as you know, my children are on it.
Yes.
We're nation building.
Yes.
Thank you for sharing the concept.
You're welcome. You're welcome.